Hi, this is Ella, and I'm in our showroom now to take you this video to introduce more about our welding machine. These two models is the models I recommend according to your market. And you see, we have two series of the welding machine. One is the LC, and the other is the top. Two different series. LC is the basic and the small model. I recommend the two models. This is LC 3000C. This is LC 3000D. You ask the difference of these two machines. First, you could see, as we know, the most important structure of the welding machines are the heating elements and the motor. You could see LC3000C, the heat gun is like this. LC3000D, so it's bigger and of higher quality. Also, the heat gun has a relation. It's related to the power. This one LC3000C, the power is 1,800 watts, and the LC3000D is 2,800 or 2,600 watts. It's a difference. And the other difference is you could see there is some wires outside the machine, outside the heat gun. So some clients prefer LC3000D because you could see it's very neat and no wires outside. Also, there is a difference of these two models, the operation. You could see this one. You put the heat gun by rotate this. But for these models, you just need to put the heat gun down. It will start work automatically. This is two LC models. So let's check some top models. You could see top models is totally different from LC. They are bigger, high power, high speed, heavy duty. And also we add some functions for top models. For these two models, we use brushless fan. Brushless fan is the brushless motor. As I said, the motor is one of the most important part of the welding machine. This two machine use brushless motor, so no need to change the carbon brush. Maintenance free. And compared with LC, you could see. You ask about the lifter. You could see I could move it easily with wheels. No need to carry it with the handle after welding work. It could adjust the direction very conveniently. Let's see the lifter. This is the lifter, and this extra wheels is for transportation. Put it down. You could start the machine to weld. After welding work, you just put it down, put the wheels down. Then you could move the machine conveniently. This one also. And also you could see the difference of this part. we add the auto balance system. The auto balance system is very useful when the working floor is not that flat. The auto balance system will help to make the welding result perfect without leakage. And you also asked about the rope accessories. It's actually a structure. It's a design of the wheel. You could see there is a groove here, a gap here. So when you do hemming with rope, sometimes you do the hemming, the edge welding. And if you need a rope through, then put the rope here. It will make the rope welding more convenient and more accurate. You could see LC without this structure. And this one. This is the model 4500C, top 4500C. You could see also there is a gap. I will explain. This TOP 3400C is our hot cell model in top models. This heat gun we adopt the heating wire imported from Sweden. The brand is Cancel. You could search it. It's a top brand in this area, high quality. From this one and this one, the difference is also very clear, because you could see there is a tip device. I will explain the usage of this part, because all our welding machines could do the overlap welding and the hemming with rope, and only this one it could do the seamless welding, also called tip welding. It is used for like in some supermarket outside the wall, or inside some big hall. There will be the UV light box. UV light box. Some are from the light is put from inside. Light inside box. Light inside light box. So we use this machine to weld the UV seamless welding to make it. You could see the tip is transparent. We weld from the back of the material. So when the light is putting on the UV light box, there will be no shadow. It's very important. I could send you some videos to explain. And also you could see the views is like this, because when we do the UV tip welding, this part needed to outside, and if we use this machine to rope hemming, we could change the position, make it just like this. It will be more convenient. In a word, this model is the multifunction model. If you have UV light inside, you could use this machine only.